I'm Dr. Rhianned Jewell. I'm Senior Lecturer in Professional Welsh at Aberystwyth University, and my research is in the field of translation studies. I'll be speaking at the Learned Societies Conference about the impact of simultaneous interpretation in Welsh courts. To enable a court case to function bilingually, interpretation is usually required. But how does that affect the experience of those listening, such as the jury, or the experience of those speaking, such as the defendants? Do factors like the voice and location of the interpreter have an impact? And are there changes that can be made to improve the experience for the jury, the defendants, and the interpreters themselves? It's vital that we fully understand the role and significance of interpretation to ensure linguistic and legal equality in Welsh courts.